Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Binary Trading. I'm really happy to see you here again. And as always, a huge thank you to everyone who watches my videos, leaves likes, comments, and asks questions. I honestly read almost every comment, and many of my videos are inspired by your ideas. Sometimes I see the same question once, then again, and then a third time. And that's when I know it's time to make a dedicated video about it. If you're new to the channel, let me quickly introduce what it's all about. I'm not a vlogger and I don't promise magical ways to get rich overnight. First and foremost, I'm a trader. I enjoy testing different tools, exploring new features, seeing how they perform in real market conditions, and then honestly sharing my experience with you. Whenever I find something that's genuinely useful, I make sure to tell you about it. Right now, I use VFX Alert signals in my trading. Whenever I start my trading day, the very first thing I do is check the signal history. It helps me understand how the market has been behaving and how accurate the signals have been recently. You'll find this section at the bottom of the website, and it's available to everyone. You can review previous signals, see how many ended in profit and how many didn't, compare the results, and make your own conclusions. That's one of the things I really like about VFX Alert. Everything is completely transparent. Nobody expects you to simply believe what's being said in a video. Anyone can visit the website, check the actual statistics, and evaluate the service based on real data. After that, I launched the auto trading feature in the desktop application. You can see my settings on the screen. There's nothing complicated or secret about them. If you've been following my channel for a while, you've probably seen these settings in previous videos. I've shown them several times and explained why I use them, so today I won't spend too much time going over them again. Once everything is configured, there's only one thing left to do: turn on auto trading. After it's activated, the program automatically opens trades based on the parameters you've already selected. That means I don't have to sit in front of my computer waiting for every signal or manually placing trades. Everything runs automatically according to my settings. Let's just watch it in action. As you can see, trades are already being opened. Of course, I could leave it running for 20 or even 30 minutes and then show you a long list of results. But honestly, I don't really enjoy that kind of content myself. I think it's much more useful to simply show you how the feature works instead of making you watch trades opening for half an hour. So now I'm going to stop auto trading. That simply means no new trades will be opened, while the ones that are already active will continue until they close. Now all we have to do is wait a little. This is probably the calmest part of the whole process. Usually, I just watch the trades close without touching anything or interfering. Let's see what the final result looks like. Here we go, the trades are starting to close. Now let's switch to the signal history and check the results. In this example, 5 trades were opened. 4 of them closed in profit, while 1 ended in a loss. Personally, I don't recommend using large trade amounts when you're just getting started with auto trading. Even if everything seems to be working well and the results look promising, there's no reason to rush. Automated trading doesn't eliminate risk. Yes, the software opens trades automatically, but it's still your money on the account, and you're still responsible for managing your risk. That's why my advice is always the same. Start by testing everything on a demo account. See how the strategy performs under your own trading conditions. Watch it for a few days. If you're happy with the results, then you can move to a live account. But even then, it's much better to start with small trade sizes. Don't try to grow your account as fast as possible in a single day. In the long run, protecting your capital is far more important than chasing quick profits. Always remember that trading involves risk. No indicator, no strategy, and no service can guarantee profitable results on every single trade. That's why discipline, proper risk management, and keeping a clear head are much more important than emotions. If you still have any questions after watching this video, be sure to visit the official VFX Alert website. As always, I'll leave the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Once again, thank you so much to everyone who watches my content, supports the channel, and leaves comments. Your feedback helps me understand what you're interested in, and that's exactly what inspires new videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. It only takes a second, but it really helps support the channel. And be sure to leave a comment. Let me know if you've already tried auto trading, if you're using it now, or if you're just thinking about testing it. I always enjoy reading your thoughts. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. There are plenty more tests, reviews, new features, and real trading examples coming soon. Thanks so much for watching until the end. Take care of your trading capital, trade responsibly, and I'll see you in the next video.